Shubhyadi and I'm back with another video, and today this is a cooking video. I'm going to make some ham sandwich. So let's get started. So I have some ham, cheese or butter as per your preference, and obviously bread because you're making a sandwich. Use 2 breads. I have already cleaned this. So this is my new phone, Redmi K20 Pro. Unboxing is coming up, or it has already come up. So let's cut the corners because I hate corners of the bread. And I also had to make an unboxing video, but I did not. But that doesn't matter. What matter is the upcoming videos. So let's use some cheese. I'm using Amul cheese. Khata hai India. Just kidding. This is Amul's cheese spread. You can obviously use this as a cheese spread, or you can use cheese slices if you want. I hate cheese slices in sandwiches until and unless the sandwich is like until and unless the bread is toasted, because the cheese, melted cheese, is the best cheese. Otherwise, when the cheese bits come in your mouth, I hate that. I apply cheese on both the breads. Once I made the ultimate ham sandwich by using 3 breads in a single sandwich. That was really nice. And yeah, it's almost done. Yeah, it's done. So now you can use your ham, a tasty chicken ham, or you can use salami if you want, with the ham or without the ham. So I use around 2 slices of ham. You can just like push it in. Use another one. It's almost done. Here is your ham sandwich. You can cut it in half, or you will just eat it like this. I prefer cutting it in half. So thanks for watching guys. Keep watching videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next videos. And comment right there what kind of videos you want: unboxing, review, or cooking videos. Bye.